Hey guys, Eric Cleary here, co-founder of Oranges Property Management and team lead with the investment team at RE/MAX Niagara. We're here in Welland at my latest single family to triplex conversion. We got this property for $675,000. Our renos are about $250,000. And this thing is going to bring in almost $6,000 a month in gross rental income. I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's go take a look. Guys, we're here in another single family back split with a beautiful detached garage. We're gonna be converting this home to 3 legal units. So what's really exciting when you first walk into this house, this piece right here is actually an addition. This used to be the exterior of the home. They did 2 separate permits within the last 5 years since we purchased, which was about 3 months ago. They got a permit for the detached garage and they got a permit for this addition. So again, as an investment real estate focused realtor, I'm looking for these things because I know the extra square footage is not only gonna add value in terms of making my apartments larger, you get really unique spaces like this with very high ceilings, super bright with all the windows, and these are all closed up right now and it's still super bright in here. So when you work with someone who knows what they're looking for or what tenants are gonna appreciate or what appraisers are really gonna value, you can find right homes like this that will save you an insane amount of money that you do not have to spend. I'm excited about this project. Honestly, wait till you guys see this garage, wait till you see the plans. I think this is gonna be one of our coolest triplex conversions yet, and I'm excited to take you guys through. This is a 3-bedroom unit that we're actually gonna be renting very soon. The work here's almost done. So this is gonna be our living room. And we didn't wanna put a closet here to lose some of the bricks. We do have this sort of little coat exchange thing here. They might buy a more, you know, enclosed sort of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a...
I know what you're talking about now.
Yeah, come on, man. Come on, Cam, help me.
Wardrobe?
Yes, wardrobe, thank you. You know, the tenants might want to buy like a wardrobe or something, and that's totally fine. We wanted to keep the space as open and as fresh as possible, and that's why I actually negotiated this into the deal. It's beautiful. It's such a win in my opinion. But anyways, let's go to the rest of the apartment. So guys, this used to be sort of a walk-through. There was an entrance here to go into the dining room. This is existing kitchen. All we're doing is adding to it. So we're gonna put a nice little sort of pantry here with a dishwasher and a little bit more counter space, you know, to offer the tenant, as it isn't a huge kitchen, but again, very functional, nice. Right behind Cam, you're gonna see this is where we're putting our new stackable laundry. So we made it nice and big, and we are gonna put a door here so it's enclosed, keep it a little bit more quiet, and that way it keeps the space looking a little bit more luxurious as you don't have exposed laundry. Not that that's a terrible thing, but if you have the ability to enclose it, I would enclose it every time. Again, the importance of working with people that truly know what they're doing. There's a lot of plumbing work here. There was air exchanges, duct work that had to get moved around. The contractor that's doing this project is excellent. He always comes to me with better, more efficient ideas. You came in the kitchen, you saw the laundry, you come up these stairs, boom, we got a beautiful existing bathroom that we don't have to do anything to. We're actually changing the light fixture. So correction, and they did a little bit of trim work down here as well, and we are going to be repainting it, as you can see. All the bedrooms are quite big up here, so we're going to paint all these rooms and put closet doors on, which we didn't have before, and we're also, those light fixtures are new. There was no lights in any of these bedrooms. So these flush mounted center lights you see, and all the new smoke and combo alarms, that's all new. This is considered the master, a little bit bigger. So we were gonna do pot lights. The cost was a little bit more significant. So instead we just did some very entry level, but still nice and styling sort of flush mount lights. So I'm gonna take you guys into the last bedroom. So guys, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. I've taken you through, shown you a lot. I'm gonna show you the backyard when we go out. This unit, to get top market rent and to be able to get it rented right away was only $20,000 taxes in. Yes, we have to buy a couple appliances, so call it $24,000, $23,000, and this unit's fully gonna be fully ready to go, and it's gonna be rented at $22.50 a month plus hydro. I'm really excited because this is a first-time investor, it's his first project. I wanna make sure this goes as smooth as possible, and I really wanna give my investor a wonderful, wonderful experience. So guys, again, this is the main living room. If you look out here, we got these beautiful, nice patio doors. They're huge. That garage is actually gonna be another unit. So we're gonna build a little fence across here. This little sort of courtyard style sitting area is going to be for this tenant. so they're not gonna have to share with any of the other tenants. It actually gets quite a bit of sunlight throughout the day, which is nice. And it gives them the opportunity. There's a gas hookup for the barbecue, which you can see right there. They'll be able to put, if they got some kids, a few little outside toys. There is some grass in the front if they want to play. It is a corner lot, so it's quite large. So big thing, guys, cover the flooring. And not all of the flooring has to be covered. There's not a lot of foot traffic happening. It's all good. Start that again. So yeah, guys, make sure your flooring's covered. This will really make a difference, especially we got nice sort of engineered hardwood here. Again, you don't have to cover every square inch. The majority of people are walking, going through here. There's no work happening over here. So make sure you cover your floors, especially if they're really nice sort of custom engineered hardwood like this. If you're working with someone who knows what to look for, these are homeowner upgrades. This is somebody who's lived in this home for 15 years, who spent real dollars to make it exactly what it is they want it to be. These patio doors are insanely expensive, and now we get to incorporate it into one of our rental units. We have something that a lot of the other units are gonna be looking at probably don't. And if you don't think, rentals and real estate investing is competitive, think again, because it is a very, very competitive market. Simply just having a space with a bathroom and a kitchen and a bedroom isn't enough to get good people. It isn't enough to get good rent anymore. You really need to stand out and stand above the rest. And that is definitely something here at the investment team that we do quite well, is looking for homes that are different, that are gonna get you the best sort of quality tenant and get you the highest amount of rent. And that's ultimately what every real estate investor is really after. So I just showed you guys the main unit, where the entrance is right off the driveway. I'm gonna take you guys around the side now. Now this is something I had the owner do before we bought it. So he finished the walkway and did nice new sort of interlock here, because this is actually gonna be the entrance to our second unit. Again, beautiful door, keyless entry. So guys, we're now in unit 2. Up here, right here, we're gonna keep this existing hardwood. Our kitchen and living space are gonna be up here. That's on the main level, which is nice because most of this apartment's actually gonna be in the basement. We're gonna have 2 bedrooms. We're gonna have our laundry and we're gonna have our furnace room. We're gonna cut in a nice big egress here. And again, this will be a nice big 2-bedroom apartment where your kitchen and your living space is up on the main level. So it's really bright. You don't feel like you're in a basement. Even though once we get our new windows cut in here, this is gonna be super bright for the bedrooms as well. We didn't have to move around our utilities, and there was already an on-demand hot water tank. We're gonna enclose this. There's gonna be actually a full wall here, and our laundry is gonna be over here. This will be a bedroom. We're gonna cut in a bigger window. And then this is gonna be another bedroom over here, again, with 2 windows. When you can reuse and work the space in certain ways like we have, you can really start to elevate the people that are gonna wanna rent these units. So again, I feel like the kitchen and the living room being up there on the main level is really going to, maybe attract a tenant that was like, I don't wanna live in a basement, but we're gonna have big windows down here. The rooms are gonna be large, bright, and then the majority of where they're gonna spend their time, being the kitchen and the living space, is up on the main level with tons of windows, tons of natural light. So the 3-bedroom main level, because we have a really cool addition that was built onto this house, not by us, but by the previous owner, we're looking at around $2,200 plus hydro. Down here, we're looking at about $1,800 plus hydro, because it's a big 2-bedroom unit. And like I said, half of the apartment is on the main level, and it's all gonna be brand new. So I've showed you guys the first 2 units in the main structure. This is actually a big corner lot. Fence was already done, so we got this big, beautiful fence. Now the coolest part of this house is this unit, this big 1-bedroom unit that we're about to walk through, has its own private driveway. So we're gonna build a fence across here to sort of enclose it. This tenant that pulls in to this unit has their own gated driveway. So it's super exclusive, super unique. Anybody looking for a 1-bedroom apartment has the opportunity here to have their own driveway, their own big, super high ceiling 1-bedroom apartment. And I'm gonna take you guys through and show you sort of what our plans are here. So guys, we're here in the detached garage, which we're gonna be converting to a 1-bedroom apartment. So this door is gonna stay. When you walk in, this is gonna be your living space. Your kitchen's gonna be back here. As you can see, we did some demo. This was enclosed before we got rid of that. Both of these doors are gonna be eliminated, completely reframed, and we're gonna put 2 massive windows in here. So you're gonna have one big window for the bedroom, and you're gonna have one big window for your living space as you walk in. Our bathroom is gonna be back here in the corner, and then in between our bedroom and our sort of bathroom, we're gonna have nice stackable laundry in here as well. These ceilings are actually 11 feet, and we're gonna keep that. There's a nice panel here, so we're able to save a little bit on electrical. This unit's gonna rent to an absolute wonderful tenant. I think it's gonna be someone who's a single professional, maybe a couple. And you know, this is sort of their transition before they buy. That's the kind of people we're looking for. This unit's gonna rent for about $1,700 to $1,800 plus hydro. The reason we're getting a little bit more for a 1-bedroom is, again, it has its own driveway, it's its own structure. There's no one above, below, beside. It's a really sort of unique private space. And again, we do not have a lot of competition. So once this hits the market, it will rent, I think, very, very fast. And the best part about all this stuff, guys, is it's fully legal, it's fully permitted through the city, and it's gonna give my investor a lot of flexibility for future investments and to leverage this to be able to buy more. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today to check out our latest triplex conversion here in Welland. Again, you can get a full scope and view of the home right here, just how beautiful it is. And this thing is going to be an absolute money factory for my investor, and even better than that, it's going to provide 3 wonderful apartments to future tenants that get to call this beautiful place home in a good, quiet neighborhood. And we're really excited to watch this one come to life. Thank you guys so much for checking in with me today. So if you guys are interested in doing something like this and you want to get more into the nitty-gritty of the numbers to understand what your overall return on investment looks like, please shoot us a DM, give me a call. I'm happy to sit with you and discuss what this looks like from start to finish and what it is I can do to help bring it to life. Guys, thank you so much for checking in today. We'll talk to you soon.